Good morning, students. Now I am going to present to you a special application known as the Artificial Intelligence Debuggatrix. Now, this mathematics software actually will help you to solve the problems very well, and this its feedback will give you automatically how the particular concept in solving the particular problem as well as the solution. So let's begin. First, let's try to find out, for example, we're dealing with the calculus. Let's try to click this icon, the calculus, then look for the derivatives here and have an examples of derivatives. We have the product rule, the quotient rule. Now, if you're going to have a activity which you are going to find for the derivative of a given function, all you have to do is to enter the problem in this particular dialog box provided. For example, we have the function of x is equal to, we have here um, 2x to the cube plus 3x squared plus 4. And we are going to find the derivative of that particular function. So as you try to notice, we are applying here the difference and sum of a function. So what we're going to do now is to find for the derivative of the given function. Then after that, we are going to click answer. Then the Badatrix will give you the complete details of the solution. So we have here looking on the solution. So we have f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4, and we have the complete derivative the function of x is equal to f prime of x is equal to the derivative of 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4 with respect to dx. Then, as you try to notice, we have here the complete details of the solution. So actually, this particular application will give you the complete data of the concept and will provide you the answer of the problem. So the derivative, the function of x, f of x is 6x squared plus 6x. So another example, let's try to use a rational equation. For example, we have 3x plus 2. Then we have also here x minus 4. Then find for derivative. We all know what is already the rule of differentiation for the quotient. Since this is a rational function, then it involves about the quotient. No? So try to click the answer here, and the software will give you again the details. So therefore, the derivative of that particular equation is 14, negative 14 over x minus 4 squared. So this is for the quotient rule. The quotient rule. Next is how about multiplication rule? Instead to use the multiplication rule. So I have here in code 3x plus 4, then 4 plus 2, then find for the derivative, then click the answer. Then we have here the detailed solution, and the derivative of the given function is equal to 20 plus 12x. As you try to notice, the software give you the complete details here. So it give you also or reminded you with regards to the formula of the product rule. So that's it. Now, how about if our equation is dealing with trigonometric functions? For example, we are looking for the derivative given function is sine of 2x, then cosine, let's say, tangent of 2x. Then let's go with first. So find for the derivative what is asked in the problem. We are going to click the arrow down. Then you have here we can use find derivative using the chain rule. Data find derivative using the product rule. We can also. But what is asked here, find the derivative and click the answer. Then automatically it will provide you the answer. However, it is very obvious that this given functions, we can use this finding derivative with the using the product rule. So this is your answer. If we're going to find for the derivative using the the product rule, let's try to find out. So this is the details of the solution given by the software, the feedback. So still, this is your answer. Another is, for example, uh, the derivative of this particular function. Let's try to find out where is it ba? Wait lang ha. Let's say derivative of sine of x. The derivative of that. Compute, click the answer. Yeah, it gives you that the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. How about if we do with the rational form? So we have 2 sine of x all over 3 minus sine of x. Find the derivative. So try to notice here. So this is your no, complete solution. The derivative of the function is 6 cosine of x minus 2. So since this is derivative in a quotient form. Now, it is not only with regards to this. So you got to remember, dealing with also with the limits. Finding for the limits, we have here a limit, let's say as x approaches to 2, then given expression we have here x plus 4. Evaluate for the limits. So I have here the answer. So 6. 6. Or, let's see, another example. This is the rational form. We have 3x plus 5 over 2 minus x. Then evaluate the limits as x approaches to 2. Then we have infinity. Yes, because that is 2 minus 2. No? The by 0 is undefined, division by 0 is undefined, so that is infinity. So that would be all. I hope you can be able to use this artificial intelligence so that you can be able to solve the problem in pre-calculus, basic calculus very easily. And at least the point here, the aim here is you can be able to know the concept in solving for the given problem. So thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.